2016 Chevy Cruze water pump job. Another annoying water pump job. So 1.4 Ecotech. You guys know I don't like this engine or this car, or these cars I should say. It's nothing against this car personally, or is it? So anyway, water pump was leaking, causing the belt to squeak, and yeah, kind of annoying job. Did a thermostat housing. It's an electronic thermostat. New water pump, new belt tensioner. Would you just look at that? What a weird little belt tensioner. Yeah, tell you that it's not an incredibly hard job. It's just kind of annoying, right? We'll start off with the first annoying thing. There's like probably three. So, three big things. You'd say, oh, well, it's just a belt-driven water pump. No big deal. All right. At least it's not driven off the timing belt or, have a idler pulley bolted on to the water pump for the timing belt. We've seen in previous videos how terrible that is. No, but it does have its quirks. One being, you have to take the engine mount off to get the belt off because they decided to run the belt around the engine mount. Okay, that's unnecessary. You didn't have to do that. You could have, come on, really? So you gotta suspend the engine once again with the jack. I have an insulator between that and an oil pan, so it's soft. But yeah, you gotta take the engine mount off. This is the bracket. The actual engine mount's over there on the cart. Air intake, engine mount, suspend the engine, yada yada. So we're doing that again. All right. And then you got this weird belt tensioner. You got to lock in place because it's all kinds of weird, and it springs like crazy if you don't. So you have to put a pin in it. You could get away with not doing that, but it's just, honestly, it's not a terrible feature, but it's just another step. Okay, the last annoying thing and the most critically annoying thing, or the biggest annoying thing, English. All right, the water pump bolts on this car, there's 10 of them, and 2 of them have to be replaced because they're front cover bolts. Well, they say they have to be. Listen, I didn't want to do this job again, so I replaced them. $15 at the Chevy dealer for 2, I'm talking M7 bolts. It's bolt number 1 and bolt number 8. But yeah, I just don't know. You gotta do your torque sequence. I think it's like 71 inch-pounds for all of them. They want you to cross them, and then the bolt number 1 and bolt number 8, you do a 30 degrees extra on each. So yeah, that was different, but I'm kind of used to that kind of thing. But so that's all done and dandy. I just want to give you guys a little heads up. And all the bolts for the water pump, well, majority of the bolts for the water pump are all different sizes. Like, I want to say there's 3 different size bolts out of 10. Like, there's 3 different lengths of all the 10 bolts. And you have to pay attention where they go because they will not fit in other places. So I'm glad I did. I took all data's warning seriously. And I'm glad I did, because it's a mess. But yeah, watch your bolts, get your new bolts, and new gasket. The parts store also sent me the wrong water pump for this car 2 times. So that was kind of annoying. They sent me a water pump for a 1.8, which they're way different. So yeah, other than that, gonna try to get more videos out for you guys, and we're working on stickers, some decals. Want to get some nice UV resistant decals. We're designing them right now. So since we hit 500 subscribers, kind of crazy. I can't believe people want to watch me work on stuff. I mean, it's kind of just my happy place, just tinkering. I mean, be it all complex and everything, I still enjoy doing these kind of jobs. So it keeps your mind off everything, keeps you busy. Idle mind is the devil's playground. So, all right, guys, have a good weekend. Enjoy the holiday if you do that kind of thing. And yeah, have fun. See ya.